of life covers me and dawns my eyes. I fall asleep 1,000 nights before I wake. Rising towards the sun, a voice whispers I'm the only one who will teach us how to keep the vows we made. When the stars start to shine, the gods above us